Hi there, I'm Angie with Violet Doodles Boutique. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Easy Marble Marbling Paints by Marabu to create custom tumblers. So to begin, I'm going to start with my amethyst and really just cover the water. Then I'm going to take my turquoise and not quite as many drops, but just spread it around. A little black. And the clear is what's going to show the glitter behind. And we take our mixing tool and just kind of swirl around a little bit. I also like to stick a little bit to the side of my bucket. It helps that paint film stay in place. And then go into the water, can kind of slowly go around and hit some of those other paint swirls. And while it's submerged, break up the film. You can blow on it, you can hit it with your hand, the skewer, whatever works. And that's just so you don't have a second transfer as you're pulling it out. So this will need to dry for 24 hours and cure before it can be sealed. So I'm going to start with dark ultramarine, and remember we have about a 1 minute work time. The first color, do quite a few drops, then the azure blue, turquoise, light blue, aqua green, silver, and some white. And then I have just my paint palette knife again. Swirl them around, stick them to the side a little. And this is electrical tape to keep my rims clean and my bottom clean. And I'm going to go in kind of at an angle this time and swirl it around and try to pick up all of those colors. And then just break up the film. For the last cup that we're going to dip, I want to show you a little trick. Marabu offers 21 different colors of paints, of the marbling paints, plus clear, so there's 22 to choose from. But if you happen to find yourself not finding the color that you want, you can add micas to your crystal clear and make a new paint color. We're going to do the aqua green, which is opaque, lavender, and the new color that we just made. I did pre-shake all of my paints, but I'm going to shake this one up one more time since it was just mixed. And then with our palette knife, stir them up and stick them to the side. And then the black cup. dip it and swirl it around a little bit so you get to the tape, and then break up the film. Now you can see that it has a really pretty purple and blue, but then when you look at where the black is, you can see that color shifting. The next step with our dip tumblers is to seal them before we can put any epoxy on them. I'm going to coat each one of these and then let it spin for a little while. Take off my electrical tape and let it finish curing. This was the one that started off as a glitter. This was the one that was spray painted white. And this one was the one that was spray painted black. And we mixed mica with the crystal clear. A special thank you to Marabou. Also remember to like and subscribe to this channel and ring the bell to be notified for more videos. Thanks again.